Alright, so what I'm going to do is show you how to do our pedigree assignment today. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go into the courses folder. Yours will look a little bit different. And so it basically will say, again, yours will look a little bit different, but you're going to go into courses, and there's a link to the website. It's under To Saunders, and it will say go directly to Saunders' webpage. This does apply for all Biology 2 students. So we'll click here, and we're going to click on Biology 2. Now you're going to have to log in here. It'll be student ID and your password, the same password you use to log into the computer. Click log in. You may see something like this when you log in. And what that means is that you just have to click on the Biology 2 link. And I guess it's still loading. So you may see this Biology 2 link. It says Saunders. It's for all biology students. So you may see that when you click. Once you get into the website, you will need to get into your Google Docs account as well. So if I go over here to the side, I click on Docs and Spreadsheets. It will open up. I'll go ahead and log in. Now keep in mind that this account is not linked with our normal login account. It's still student ID as your username. Your password could be something else if you set it to something different. If you've never logged into this system before, it could be this password right here, 1112. Okay? Now, once you log in with your username and password, you'll see a list of documents possibly. And now I'll go back to our other tab here. You're going to be switching between tabs. Now, I'm going to scroll down till I see the pedigree assignment. So I'll click on that. It gives me some instructions. You're probably going to want to read them. Essentially, it says you're going to make a Google drawing for this assignment. And it says that for each image, you're going to drop the image URL of these elements. I'll show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and create a Google drawing. Find the button that says Create in your Google Docs, and we're going to go down to Drawing. Now I'm going to retitle this my name, and this is a pedigree assignment. I did that by just clicking over on the title where it said Untitled. I just clicked on it, changed the name. Now in the assignment, it says go to this website, so we'll go ahead and click there. In this website, you're going to have to create 3 pedigrees, or using this website. You got the blood type and diabetes, which are required. These 2 pedigrees are required. You can choose tongue rolling or eye color. Okay? So 3 total, and they will all be dropped into this Google Drawing. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and try this tongue rolling one. And I'm going to read some of this information to figure out how I'm going to do this. I may need to do some Punnett squares. I'm going to take the structure and I'm going to go ahead and drag it up to my drawing, and then I'm going to bring it here and then drop it. It may take a minute. It says creating images, and there it is. So I'm going to put this one over in the upper left. I'll also need to drag in there the other items, such as maybe the shade and square. Maybe I will also need to drag in the little r. Drag it. And so that would be a little r. I can resize these items, of course. I can move them around. I can zoom in, all of that. So I actually probably want that on the side. So I can adjust all of these things. So I can continue to build this pedigree according to what the instructions are here. Okay. So I will continue to build this pedigree until, generations too. So I may need to say, okay, this is generation 1. This is generation 2 down here. Okay. So I will do that for 3 pedigrees. When I'm ready to turn this assignment in, I will click on Share. I will make it anyone with a link. And you're not going to share the link with everyone. You're just going to make anyone with a link, and can view and edit. So we actually make this can view, can actually edit. So we save that. Here's a URL to my drawing that I'm going to turn in on the class website. So I just copy that, and then I go over here and I say edit my submission, and I'm going to create a hyperlink here, my assignment. I select my text, I click on the chain link button, and then I paste it in. Okay. Scroll down and save. Probably want to double check and make sure it works. So when I click on it, it should open my Google Drawing, and it does. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Hope it works for you.